This is a genetics problem involving a single gene. This question says that in the fruit flies, the gene for wing shape has an unusual allele curly, designated as capital CY. But the normal wild type allele is designated as small cy. The fly homozygous for small cy has normal straight wings. The heterozygote capital CY small cy has wings which curl and they do not fly. And the homozygote for capital CY never hatches out of the egg. And we cross two curly winged flies and the female lays 100 eggs. And we have to answer the following questions. How many eggs will produce live offsprings? How many straight winged flies do we expect among the living offsprings? And also what percentage of living offsprings do we expect to be curly winged like their parents? Now the solution. At first we clearly write the phenotypes and the genotypes of the offsprings. That is, for the flies with normal straight wings, we write small cy. For the flies that have curly wings, we write capital CY small cy. And those that don't hatch out of their eggs as capital CY. And when we cross two curly winged fruit flies, that is capital CY small cy cross capital CY small cy, we draw the Punnett square and figure out the genotypic ratio of the offsprings. Which comes to be 1:2:1. So, the first question. The number of eggs that produce live offsprings. Is total 3. That is 2 that can't fly but are alive and 1 that is normal and alive. So total 3 divided by the sum of the ratio 1 plus 2 plus 1 into 100 equals to 3/4 into 100, which is 75. So the number of eggs that produce live offsprings are 75 among the 100. Question number B. The number of straight-winged flies that we expect among the living offsprings are 1 divided by 4 into 100, that is 25. And lastly, the question number C. That the percentage of living offsprings that we expect to be curly like their parents. They can't fly, so number of eggs that will produce the fruit flies that will not be able to fly is 50 divided by total number of live ones, that is 75. into 100. That is 33.33 into 2 equal to 66.67%. So this is the answer.